Bonjour et bienvenue sur Speak French avec moi. Je m'appelle Séverine. Je suis votre professeur de français. Hello and welcome to Speak French avec moi. I am Séverine and I am your French coach. Comment ça va? Moi, je vais bien. Merci. One of the features of French that people think of typically French is the pronunciation of the letter R as R. And since there isn't any sound approximating that English, I am going to teach you and then practice saying R. You can find the transcript on my website, speakfrenchavecmoi.com, or on my Facebook page, Speak French avec moi. And of course, don't forget to subscribe or follow to keep learning French. You're doing a great job, and I know you've been listening to my podcast. And stay tuned, the next episode will be a Valentine's Day special. Are you ready for this new episode? I'm about to speak French. I will be right back after this short break. We're going to practice now saying the R, which is different from the English R. But before I start, please have some water handy and warm up your throat a little. So, let's imagine that you have a sore throat. You're going to the doctors to get your throat examined. So you say what? Ah. Yes, open your mouth, say ah. Now, keep the tip of your tongue against your bottom teeth. Tongue flat, mouth open. Ah. Imagine that you have some glue and glue the tip of your tongue against the inside of your bottom teeth. Leave your mouth open. All right, just like this. Now, go from A to aga. A, aga. A, aga. With your mouth open. Correct. Now, say aga again and feel where the back of your tongue is as you say that ga. Okay? Put your hand. Do you feel it way toward the back? Ga, ga, ga. Now, we're going to say aga again, but with a scraping sound just as aga, ara. Aga, ara. Leave the tip of your tongue glued to your bottom teeth. Right. Try slowly with your mouth open and your tongue on the bottom. Aga, ara. Aga, ara. Almost like gargling. Aga, aha. How did it work? Great? Okay. Now we're going to move on and we're going to try with the sound E. E in French is written with the letter I. E, E. All right, now we're going to go for Iggy. Iggy. Mouth open, tongue in the bottom. Iggy, iri. Iggy, iri. I, iggy, iri. Try it. You're amazing. Yes, all right. Iri. Now, let's be more ambitious. Let's try with the French letter U. To make the sound U, make the sound OO and with your mouth all puckered, say I, but don't move your lips. Let's try. OO, U. OO, U. OO, U. All right. With your mouth in that position, say U, ugu, and then the scraping sound, heureux. Ugu, heureux. Now, this is very difficult for non-native speaker. You have two sounds here, R and U, which are very French. Maybe you don't even hear the difference between OO and U. OO, U. Let's try again. U, ugu, heureux. All right, you're doing great. All right, one more thing. Now, let's try with only the R sound. We're going to cut off the vowel sound. We'll do one more time with the vowel there and take it off. All right, let's remember. Aha. Keep your mouth there. Aha. And then say ra. Aha. Ra. Leave your mouth open between the two sounds. Aha. Ra. Now let's do it with I. I. Iri. Ri. Almost like a big smile. Iri. Ri. Iri. Ri. Great. Now let's try with U. Let's go with OO. Now let's try U. Heureux. 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 All right, you're doing great. So now let's practice, right? Don't go anywhere. I know heureux and heureux is very difficult, right? So don't feel bad. It takes practice. Don't forget that your tongue is a muscle. So try to practice this often, not first thing in the morning when your mouth is a warm-up. All right, now let's go through a number of French nouns. We're going to start with R at the beginning. And again, you can go to the website to see the transcript. Ri. 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 Ré. 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 Ra. 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 Roux. 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 Ro. 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 Rue. 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 Great. Now we're going to do the R between or after a vowel, right? Garage. Garage. Arriver. Arriver. Arrêter. Arrêter. Héritage. Héritage. Sérieux. Sérieux. Horoscope. Horoscope. Now we're going to do with the R at the end. You have to make sure that you voice that R if the R is followed by another letter, such as cire, cire, serre, serre, sar, sar, sourd, sourd, sort, sort, sur, sur, sœur, sœur, soir, soir. I know a number of these vowels are hard to pronounce, and I put a translation on the website. It is sometimes a very slight difference between the a, the u, and the u. Again, here we're all about practicing the R, so don't feel bad if it's not quite the same sound. And remember, in French, all the vowels are short. Now, let's practice with R after or before a consonant. The hack is to split in 2 different syllables. Sorti, sorti. Garçon, garçon. Attendre, attendre. Peindre, peindre. Droit, droit. Comprendre, comprendre. Now, toi, trois. Toi, trois. Doigt, droit. Doigt, droit. Quoi, croix. Quoi, croix. Poids, proie. Poids, proie. And now that you're all warmed up, let's try. This one is a little difficult. Gris, gris. Grand, grand. Grue, grue. All right. Voilà, c'est la fin de cet épisode. J'espère qu'il vous a plu. I hope you enjoyed it. And since you made it to the end, I have a small favor to ask you. Leave a rating. It will help other listeners to discover my podcast. And again, I want to thank you for being such a great listener wherever you are in the world. I know you're awesome, and I hope you learn more each time you listen to my podcast. So don't forget to subscribe and follow and share with your friends on social media. And thank you again for being here every week to learn French. Merci. Au revoir. À bientôt.